What's up everybody, it's Eniola, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of living with smart home tech that's downright amazing. We're not just talking about your grandma's voice-activated assistant here. This is about taking complete control of your environment. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs and streamlines your routines. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown, because we're exploring the coolest gadgets that are about to change the game. Let's do this. First up, the smart thermostat. This isn't just about adjusting the temperature from your phone, it learns your habits and preferences. Imagine waking up to the perfect temperature every day. These thermostats optimize your heating and cooling, saving you money on energy bills. Some even come with geofencing technology, adjusting the temperature as you come and go. Big players like Nest and Ecobee are worth checking out, but newer brands are bringing serious innovation. From sleek touchscreens to voice control integration, these smart thermostats make your life easier and your home more efficient. Trust me, once you go smart with your thermostat, you'll never want to go back. Let's talk lighting. Smart lighting systems have changed the game in setting the mood in your home. You can adjust brightness, color temperature, and even the color of your lights to match your mood or occasion. Control everything from your phone or with your voice if you've got a smart assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. Automation features let you schedule lights to turn on and off automatically. Set up routines like a good morning scene that gradually brightens the lights to help you wake up naturally. Some systems even sync with your music or movies for an immersive experience. Security is a big deal, and smart security cameras give you peace of mind. We're talking high-definition video, night vision, two-way audio, and AI-powered features that distinguish between a person, a pet, or a stray branch. Get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone. On vacation? Instantly pull up the live feed and talk to whoever's at your door. Use these cameras to keep an eye on pets, check in on elderly parents, or see what your kids are up to. With affordable cloud storage, you can record and store footage for days, weeks, or even months. Most cameras are wireless, making setup a breeze. How many times have you searched for your keys? It's a common scenario. You're standing at your front door, juggling groceries, bags, or maybe even a child, and you can't find your keys. You dig through your bag, check your pockets, and maybe even retrace your steps, all while feeling increasingly frustrated. This daily hassle is something we've all experienced at one point or another. With smart door locks, those days are gone. Imagine walking up to your door and having it unlock automatically as you approach, or simply tapping a button on your smartphone to gain entry. These modern marvels are designed to make your life easier and more secure. Control access to your home with just a few taps on your phone. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just out for a walk, you can lock and unlock your door remotely. This means you can let in a friend or family member even if you're not home, or double-check that your door is locked from anywhere in the world. No more fumbling for keys, simply tap a button on your phone, and the door unlocks automatically. This feature is especially useful when your hands are full or when you're in a hurry. Plus, it adds an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. Smart door locks offer advanced encryption and authentication methods, making them more secure than traditional locks. These locks use state-of-the-art technology to ensure that only authorized individuals can gain access. From biometric fingerprint scanning to PIN codes and even facial recognition, the options are vast and tailored to meet your security needs. Create temporary access codes for guests, housekeepers, or dog walkers. This means you no longer have to hide a spare key under the doormat or worry about someone making a copy of your key. You can set these codes to expire after a certain period, ensuring that access is only granted when you want it to be. Some locks even come with built-in alarms that sound if someone tries to tamper with them. This added security feature can deter potential intruders and alert you immediately if there's any suspicious activity at your door. Integrate with other smart home devices for a truly connected experience. Imagine your door unlocking as your smart lights turn on and your thermostat adjusts to your preferred temperature. The possibilities are endless when your smart door lock is part of a larger smart home ecosystem. Most models are designed for DIY installation and can be retrofitted onto your existing door. This means you don't need to be a tech expert or hire a professional to enjoy the benefits of a smart door lock. With easy-to-follow instructions and minimal tools required, you can upgrade your home's security and convenience in no time. Smart speakers take voice control to a whole new level, becoming the central hub for your entire smart home ecosystem. These devices are not just about playing music or setting alarms anymore. They have evolved into sophisticated command centers that can manage a multitude of tasks seamlessly. Imagine walking into your home and simply saying, "Turn on the lights," and your living room is instantly illuminated. Or perhaps you want to adjust the thermostat without lifting a finger. Just say the word, and it's done. The convenience and efficiency that smart speakers bring to our daily lives are truly remarkable. Control everything from your lights and thermostat to your music and security cameras with just your voice. The integration of these devices into a single cohesive system means you can manage your entire home environment effortlessly. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen and need to set a timer, or you're in the living room and want to change the music, your smart speaker is there to assist. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7, ready to respond to your commands and make your life easier. Imagine saying, "Hey Google, turn off the living room lights," and bam, instant darkness. This level of control extends to various aspects of your home, from adjusting the brightness of your lights to locking your doors at night. The possibilities are endless, and the convenience is unparalleled. No more fumbling for light switches or getting up to adjust the thermostat. Your voice is all you need. Smart speakers can play your favorite podcasts, set timers, make calls, check the weather, and even order pizza. They are designed to be versatile and multifunctional, catering to a wide range of needs and preferences. Whether you're a busy professional who needs to stay organized or a parent looking to simplify household tasks, a smart speaker can be a valuable addition to your home. The ability to perform multiple functions through a single device not only saves time, but also reduces the need for multiple gadgets cluttering your space. They learn your routines and preferences, providing a personalized experience. Over time, these devices become more attuned to your habits, making them even more efficient and user-friendly. For instance, if you usually listen to a specific playlist in the morning, your smart speaker can start playing it as soon as you wake up. Or if you have a regular bedtime routine, it can automatically adjust the lights and temperature to create the perfect sleeping environment. This level of personalization makes smart speakers not just a tool, but a companion that enhances your daily life. With platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, control a vast ecosystem of compatible devices. These platforms offer extensive compatibility with a wide range of smart home products, from lights and locks to cameras and thermostats. This means you can mix and match devices from different brands and still have them work together seamlessly. The flexibility and interoperability provided by these platforms ensure that you can build a smart home system that perfectly suits your needs and preferences. Smart speakers are becoming increasingly affordable with options at every price point. Whether you're looking for a basic model to get started or a high-end device with advanced features, there's something for everyone. The growing competition in the market has led to better products at lower prices, making it easier than ever to integrate smart technology into your home. So why wait? Transform your living space into a voice-activated command center today and experience the future of home automation. Smart refrigerators are revolutionizing the way we manage our food. These high-tech marvels have built-in touchscreens, cameras, and smart features that help you plan meals, track expiration dates, and create shopping lists automatically. At the grocery store, peek inside your fridge remotely with the app. Some models come with built-in voice assistants for adding items to your shopping list, playing music, or showing recipes. Health conscious? Some fridges analyze your food intake and suggest healthier alternatives. Smart refrigerators are an investment, but they offer the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Nobody enjoys vacuuming, but smart vacuum cleaners make it effortless. These robots take over the mundane task of vacuuming your floors. Packed with sensors, mapping technology, and powerful suction, they navigate your home and avoid obstacles. Schedule a cleaning session from your phone and come home to spotless floors. Many models now come with room mapping and self-emptying dustbins. Some are specifically designed to tackle pet hair. Smart vacuum cleaners are a game changer for keeping your home clean without lifting a finger. How do you control all your smart devices without your head exploding? Smart home hubs. A smart home hub connects all your devices, allowing them to communicate and work in harmony. Create powerful automations and routines involving multiple devices. Say, "Hey Google, good morning," and your hub turns on the lights, adjusts the thermostat, brews your coffee, and reads the news. Use a dedicated hub device or leverage your existing smart speaker. A smart home hub is essential for anyone serious about taking their smart home to the next level. Smart window blinds are a cool upgrade that often gets overlooked. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, and your blinds automatically raising themselves. Smart blinds give you complete control over the amount of light entering your home. They can help regulate the temperature, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Enhance your privacy by automatically closing at night or when you're away. Choose retrofit kits for your existing blinds or go all in with motorized blinds designed for smart home integration. Smart blinds add luxury and convenience while improving energy efficiency. Let's talk about smart mirrors, the epitome of futuristic home tech. These mirrors display the day's weather forecast, traffic updates, and your schedule while you get ready. They can play music, show videos, let you make video calls, and display social media feeds. Smart mirrors are still a relatively new technology, but prices are coming down. A smart mirror is a statement piece that will make your home the envy of all your tech-savvy friends. It's a glimpse into the future of smart homes where technology is seamlessly integrated into our lives. And that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of the coolest smart home tech out there. We've explored some of the most innovative and cutting-edge gadgets that are transforming our living spaces into futuristic havens. From voice-activated assistants that can control every aspect of your home to intelligent lighting systems that adjust based on your mood, the possibilities are endless. From thermostats that learn your habits to refrigerators that can practically order groceries themselves, smart home technology is making our lives more convenient and efficient. Imagine waking up to a home that has already adjusted the temperature to your liking, brewed your morning coffee, and even reminded you of your day's schedule. These devices are not just about luxury. They are about enhancing our daily routines and making our lives easier. The future of living is here, and it's pretty awesome. With smart home technology, we are stepping into an era where our homes are not just places to live but intelligent entities that interact with us. They anticipate our needs, respond to our commands, and even learn from our behaviors. It's like having a personal assistant that is always there ready to help. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of smart homes, you're in for a treat. We have so much more exciting content lined up for you. From in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets to tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your smart home setup, our channel is your go-to source for all things tech. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Your support helps us bring you the best and most up-to-date information on the latest trends in technology. Plus, by subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our future videos. And hey, let me know in the comments down below which of these gadgets you'd be most excited to try out in your own home. Whether it's a smart mirror that gives you the weather forecast while you brush your teeth, or a security system that you can monitor from anywhere in the world, we want to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the future of tech. The world of smart home technology is constantly evolving, and there's always something new and exciting on the horizon. So stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay tech savvy. See you in the next video.